Our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, he didn't take
Yes,
any
yes.
action to strengthen it during the entire year. Have you heard about farmers'
Mm,
protest? I
yeah.
mean, this is no way to treat the farmers of your country.
A lot of
Okay.
people in Florida wear their masks and a lot of people don't. Have people to talk to when you're feeling low.
Namaste, salam, adam, vanakkam, sat shri akal, bonjour, bienvenue, boa tarde, ni hao ma. So, hello everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Open Up with Karan, featuring this time Miss Kerry. She's from Boston, Massachusetts, and so it's so nice to have you here with me on my show.
Oh, it's
And
my pleasure. Thank you.
so, I was looking forward to speak to you because last time when we spoke, I thoroughly enjoyed myself.
Oh, I did as well. I did also, Karen. It was such a lovely time. Such a
Yeah,
pleasure.
thank you. So,
Yeah.
I'd like to start off by asking, like, how's everything in Boston? Because I was watching the news the other day and I saw
Yeah.
like Mr. Biden was saying, like, those who are fully vaccinated, they could take off their mask. So I feel,
Oh, well, okay. I haven't heard that. And to clarify one thing, right now I'm in Florida. Um,
oh, okay.
I'm thinking about moving back to Florida. So I'm here for maybe 3 to 6 months. So I'm in Florida. Um, so in Boston, I'm hearing things from my friends and family. I know Florida opened things a little sooner than Boston. Every
Yeah,
state is different. And Florida, they did some risky behavior
okay,
during the pandemic, but right now, uh, I haven't heard that from Boston that everyone
okay,
vaccinated can take off their masks. A lot of people
okay,
in Florida wear their masks and a lot of people don't. And they may be vaccinated or not. So it's a little
okay,
bit, yeah.
okay.
Not
Yeah.
everyone's being maybe so careful as they should.
Okay, so my first question to you would be, like, how was
Yeah.
your experience in the lockdown? Because, currently I live in New Delhi and
Yes.
there is a lockdown situation here. So, like, how do
Okay.
we stay positive and optimistic in, this situation?
Yeah. I know that I know that during lockdown times and in the past year, it's been hard sometimes and mostly missing your family and friends and the contact, hugging. I think
Yeah,
it's been reported on social media that hugs are the thing that the people miss most right now
yeah,
during this time, this experience together, all of us, the world stage. um but I think having people to talk to, whether it's your family and friends as much as possible, or professionals, as in a therapist or anything, or groups, um, and really diving into, if you can, um, if you have a lot of free time, your hobbies and your interests,
yeah,
that really because it's offering you an opportunity to do the things that bring you joy. So just do them if you can. Some things cost
yeah,
money and some things don't. So
absolutely.
kind of do those things your hobbies. Do them.
Mm.
Those things that are of interest or something new. A lot of people have been learning new things this past
Yeah,
year, you
yes,
know?
absolutely.
Absolutely. So
Yeah,
it's uh, have people to talk to when you're feeling low, when you're feeling down, and you know, and maybe find other people that you can talk to motivate both of you together
yeah,
to, like,
it's very
let's
important.
do this together, let's quit smoking together, or let's get these let's order these coloring books on Amazon for adults together, let's do this.
Yeah,
So, yeah, doing things together, doing your hobbies and interests, having people to talk to.
yeah, it's very important.
Yeah, doing the things that bring you joy if you can.
Okay. Here in India, like our entire healthcare system is collapsing. And,
Oh,
because, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, he didn't take
yes,
any
yes,
action to strengthen it during the entire year. So, like,
okay.
so many people are dying here because of the shortage of medical oxygen. So, like, I wish our government had taken this whole thing seriously. but they did
Yeah.
not, and because of which, like, we are all suffering a lot.
Yeah.
And
I'm so sorry, honey.
yeah,
Yeah.
and like so many people have lost their jobs, youths are unemployed, people are dying, and most importantly, like, farmers are distressed. Have you heard about farmers
Mm.
protest?
Farmers protest in India?
Yeah.
No, I haven't actually. I usually
Okay.
pay attention to what's going on in the world, but do tell me. Please tell me.
So yeah, there is a farmers
If you,
protest going on, but that thing is being ignored completely, as if
yeah,
nothing's happened. I
yeah.
mean, this is no way to treat the farmers of your country, right?
No.
This is
No,
very
no, no.
disrespectful.
No.
So there is a lot of negativity, but then there is also a positive aspect. Like,
Yeah.
there are many people who are coming forward and helping those who are in need, who are in critical situation. Like,
Yeah.
my family, my friends, especially my mom, she's working with few NGOs, and there are people are making donations and they are donating food.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is something I really like.
Yes, I like that too. People come together in times of distress a lot of
Yeah.
times.
But
You know, they come together and they work and they really do their best, and it shows how humans can really shine
yeah,
in what we would view as a negative situation or a distressful situation. But humans come together and help each other. They do. They do.
yeah,
There's a lot of good aspects to humans. They're, they really are. So good kudos to your mom.
yeah. She is an inspiration for
She's one
me.
of the ones out there doing it.
Yeah,
So
she inspires
she
me a
sounds
lot.
like a lovely woman to me.
Yeah.
She does. Bless her heart.
Okay, so my next question to you would be,
Yes.
like, how do I approach someone, or like how do I help someone who's having some kind of a mental problem like depression or anxiety?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I can say myself, I mean, I do get a bit of anxiety from time to time myself. So, and that's even if when we're in pandemic or not non-pandemic
Okay.
times. So I do understand. It's hard, Um, it's hard it's hard to reach people, with your words sometimes. They can be so low, you know
Okay. Yeah.
that it can be hard, but to have patience and to show that you really truly and genuinely care, and that you're there to listen. You're not there to preach,
Okay.
necessarily. You're not there to, if they're not in the mood for a pep talk. You know what I mean by
Okay.
pep
Yeah.
talk?
Yeah.
If they're not
Absolutely.
in the mood for a pep talk and to listen to us prattle on of what they could be
Sometimes
doing,
people just need you to listen to them.
sometimes they
Yeah.
need people to listen. And if
Yeah.
possible, sometimes to just give them a hug and
Yeah.
just tell them it's going to be okay. And you know what? You feel like you're alone, but you're not. I'm here with you. You, so and so's here with you. We're going to get through this together. Like,
Together.
you
Yeah.
got this. You got
Absolutely.
this.
Yeah.
You know?
So here
Yeah.
I'd like to talk about my friend. His name is Varun,
Uh huh.
and so like he really motivated me a lot to start with this whole thing.
Yes.
So he gave me that much of confidence. So like, could you say hi to him?
Hello, Varun. Hello. Namaste.
Wow.
Satnam.
Wow.
Oh,
Thank you. So my last
yes.
question to you would be, and then we'll wrap it up. My last question would be like, what's that one thing that this pandemic has taught you?
Things like this always, Karan, teach us that we take a lot of those little things
For granted.
that are very, very important to human life, to our lives, for granted. And we do that all the time, even in non pandemic times. But we, especially during times like this, we remember, oh gosh, the simple things, or it's not about the material things. These things really
Absolutely.
teach us it's not about the material. It is
Yeah.
not. It's about doing the inner work. It's about helping others. It's about
Yeah.
being there for each other, family, friends, even people you don't know. You know, it's
Yeah.
that's the work. It's the work that 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 joy that swells up in your heart,
Yeah.
when you help other people, that's what it's about. It feels
Yeah.
joyful. It
Yes.
feels like love, pure love, divine love. It, you know,
Absolutely. Yeah.
these times are like dive yourself right into that if you can, because it
Yes.
just makes you feel good. When you help the others, but you help yourself too. It's a win-win.
It's a next level feeling. Absolutely.
It's a next level feeling and it's a
Yeah.
win-win. Absolutely. You
So
agree.
yes,
You know what I'm talking about.
absolutely yes. So now,
Yes.
like at the end, I just want to say like thank you so much for doing this for me. I'm looking forward to have a lot more conversations with you. I really enjoyed myself. So is there anything that you'd like to say at the end?
Um, well, I just want to congratulate or commend you for taking this on. I know this is a new endeavor for you.
Yes.
So, um, and I think you're a lovely person from what I can see. You seem like a very kind person and patient. And I think that, at least from what I can see, and we need those people out there spreading the word in as many ways as possible to
Wow.
be kind, be patient,
Yeah.
help others. It makes your heart feel good. It helps then. It's a win win. It's a next level
Yeah.
feeling. Help people with difficult questions that maybe people don't speak about. Maybe they don't feel comfortable speaking about in India, but they have a safe place to speak about. Or maybe in the world they don't feel comfortable speaking about, but they have a
Yes.
safe place to speak about it here. And they have someone they can follow, or people they can follow, and they can read, and they can feel like, yes, I relate to this. So it's good
Okay.
work. It's good work that you're doing. And
Thank you
keep
so
it
much.
up.